first, minute to spin it. Whoever spins the biggest wad of delicious dough is the winner.
What's making that shadow?
Splat! Team Roni wins! Next up, olive or nothing. How many olives are in this jar? Whoever's guess is closer wins. Well, based on the jar's dimensions, what's it gonna be, my crystal friend? 200? 197 and a half. 197 and a half.
197 and a half.
Unbelievable! That's exactly right! Team Roni wins again. There are halves? Supreme is in the lead. I've never seen anyone box a pizza that quickly. He's a natural. We gotta hurry.
He's already headed for the obstacle course. Just 10 more seconds. Tick, tick, tick. Now! Splat! Got it!
Come on! He's already on the beam!
He doesn't have great balance, but he sure is strong. How are we gonna catch him?
Crash! We do as Supreme does. The best way to get through the course is to go through the obstacles. Whoa!
You okay, Mose?
Wow, those are harder than they look.
I'm up next. You're not kidding, Mose. These things are harder than your head.
Roar! You're all too weak.
You're gonna have to do this one without me. No worries, Susie. I've got a plan. Alan, go long.
No one beats Supreme! It's a photo finish, folks.